Go, Kiala! Get your present!
For Kiala. Happy first birthday. Kiala. Love, Kipa. For you. Oh, what is that? She's a little cranky, huh? She's tired. Here. Right here. Come on, baby girl. You can do it. Come on.
Open!
Grandpa uses too much tape.
Open it! Just rip it. Ooh.
I like the wrapping paper. It's bright. Kiala. I don't know which one you got there, but here. Here. Look. Kiala. Good girl. Here.
There you go. She's showing you every piece of paper.
Oh, Kiala. You almost there?
You're almost done.
Open it. Open up the box. Open. Yay.
Good girl.
Oh. Yay. 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 Oh, I'm opening it so you can open the box.
What's inside?
Kiala. Kiala. Look.
Shake it. Tip it over.
Kiala.
Lift this part up.
Kiala. Look. Kiala. What's in there?
Ooh, what is that? Your favorite.
Clothes.
Pull them out. See what they are.
Here. It's a 2-in-1 outfit.
Ooh. Say thank you. That face. She saw. Oh.
Yeah, look it. Look it.
Pretty.
Oh, see?
Aww.
Pretty pink dress.
So cute.
And then you got stretch pants, so you can wear either this and this. It is.
Yeah, you
Ruffles.
like it, don't you?
Little white flat, little white stuff there. Look at it. Ruffles. You like ruffles? Feel it. You like it?
Pretty
I got
dress.
her 18 month. I was told to get her 18 month.
Yeah, that's perfect. Because we have a lot of 12, but not too many 18.